In this tutorial, we are going to show you phase detection, another feature that comes as standard with your Sonic Driver fixed flow meter. Some processors may have different fluids flowing in the same pipe at the same or different times. For example, storage tanks of oil periodically need to be dewatered, and knowledge of what liquid is flowing in the drain pipe is important. The user does not want to drain valuable oil, neither do they want to risk contaminating the environment with dirty water. Therefore, we can measure the speed of sound of the fluid that is being drained and use that to determine whether it is water, oil, or a mix of the two. This is only one example. There are many other situations where knowledge of what's flowing where would be important. If you scroll through the main menu, we have a function called phase detection. Select it from the list, and here you enter a target speed of sound in meters per second, which you set up to be between the sound velocities of the two fluids. Following on from our earlier example, the speed of sound of our oil is 1500 meters per second, and for our water, it is 1480 meters per second. You can configure an output, like a relay alarm plug-in module fitted in the flow meter, so that when the measured velocity goes above or below the target, it activates an alarm. In this case, we have entered the target speed of sound to be 1498 meters per second. As we drain water from the bottom of the tank, the speed of sound we measure will rise from that of water to a mixture of oil and water, and then to oil. Here we can see that our fluid has a speed of sound of around 1465 meters per second, so the meter is reporting the fluid is water. The display is also showing the real-time flow rate and total. Make sure you check our social media pages and YouTube channel for more information and tutorials, including setting up the inputs and outputs of a Sonic Driver flow meter and what comes with your Sonic Driver flow meter.